Hello everyone. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy pronto vamos a tener clase juntos con Open English Mode. My name is Megan. I am a teacher with Open English. So welcome everyone. En unos minutos vamos a tener Open English Mode. ¿Cómo estás hoy? Enviar tus comentarios para practicar, tu inglés para participar. ¿De dónde eres? ¿Cómo estás hoy? Mi nombre es Megan. My name is Megan. And very soon we will be learning about motivation with Open English Mode. Vamos a discutir cómo mantenerte tu motivación para tus resoluciones, para tus objetivos para este año. So send your comments, enviar tus comentarios para participar y practicar tu inglés. ¿Cómo estás hoy? Hello, Espinosa. Great to see you again. Excellent. How are you today? Espinosa is a very dedicated English student. She is an expert at Open English Mode classes. ¿Cómo estás hoy? ¿De dónde eres? Enviar tus comentarios, presentarte al grupo. You can introduce yourself to the Open English Mode group here. I am from the United States, and my name is Megan. Hi, Adriana. It is great to see you again also. Thank you for coming back. Hello, Davidson. Hi, Luis. Welcome, everyone. Hola, bienvenidos. It is great to see so many students watching today. Hoy vamos a discutir sobre cómo mantenerte tu motivación para tus objetivos, para tus resoluciones para este año. Today, we will help each other stay motivated. We will learn some tips about keeping motivation for studying English, for New Year's resolutions. Hi, Jose. Great to see you. Welcome. Enviar tus comentarios para participar y para practicar tu inglés. You can send comments anytime to participate and to practice your English. Hi, Samir. Great to see you. Good afternoon. Wonderful. Today, we will talk about motivation together. So I see more people are saying hello. Hello, Jose. Hi, Matty. Great to see you. Excellent. More people are joining today's Open English Mode. Hoy vamos a discutir motivación. Today we are going to talk about motivation. Oh, I see many students are saying hello. Hi, it is great to see all of you. Okay, well, es hora, vamos a comenzar. Let's start today's Open English Mode. So, hola y bienvenido. Bienvenidos a Open English Mode, 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. Mi nombre es Megan de Chicago, Estados Unidos. Soy profesora de inglés con 6 años de experiencia enseñando en Open English y hoy vamos a hablar sobre cómo mantenerte motivado con tus objetivos para este año. So we will help each other with motivation for our goals for this year. Enviar tus comentarios para participar y practicar. So today's tip number 1, our tip for motivation is remember your priorities. Think about the reasons for your New Year's resolutions and goals. Y ustedes pueden enviar tus comentarios, share your resolutions. What are your resolutions for this year? So to remember your priorities, think about why. Why did you select your goals for this year? ¿Por qué? Goals or objetivos. And use the reasons for your New Year's resolutions and your goals as motivation. So for example, this resolution is, I want to improve my English fluency. Quiero mejorar mi fluidez de inglés. Think about why. Think about the reason. Maybe the reason is to travel to English-speaking countries, para viajar. In this case, how can I use this reason for motivation? I can read travel websites to stay motivated. So this is one example, one idea. What about you? Envía tus comentarios. What are your resolutions for this year? ¿Tienes resoluciones sobre tu inglés? Sobre otras cosas? For example, my resolution is to improve my Spanish fluency. Quiero practicar mi español. So I want to stay motivated to keep this resolution. More people are saying hello. Hi, Wellington. Hi, Andrea. Great to see you. Good. Okay, I see more comments coming in. So there can be many different resolutions. We talked about this example to improve English fluency. This is a common resolution for many Open English students. So remember your priorities, tip number 1. And let's continue to tip number 2 to talk about motivation here. Okay, so bienvenidos a todos. Estamos practicando y discutiendo cosas sobre motivación en inglés juntos con Open English Mode. Envía tus comentarios para participar. For this tip, we will talk about partners, compañeros, find partners. Y envía tus comentarios. How can you find partners to improve your English fluency? So we know that you can find other people to help you stay motivated. Many people share similar goals. You can use social media, online communities, or connections in your life to find people who share your goals. Talk about your goals together and help each other stay motivated. So another example here, if the resolution you have is to improve English fluency, you can say that to find partners, compañeros, I can join English discussion forums online. This can help you stay motivated. You can take an English class with a friend. What other ideas do you have? ¿Más ideas o sugerencias? Envía tus comentarios. How can you find partners to motivate you to improve your English fluency? Find encontrar. What do you think? I will watch for your comments. Okay, good. Wellington says, I want to speak more fluently. Good, Wellington. Yo también con español. Many other people want to practice English fluency. Good. Excellent. Very good. Andy asks, what is the secret for learning English? Oh, there are many tips that we can share with you at Open English Mode. And one secret is to practice, practice, practice. And sometimes it can help you practice when you have a partner or a friend to practice with. So those were some great suggestions there, great participation, some very good examples. Wonderful. Let's continue. Let's learn another tip for keeping motivated with your goals and resolutions. So tip number 3 is to have fun. Have fun. Que te diviertas. Remember to have fun with your goals. Y envía tus comentarios, tus sugerencias para el grupo. What are fun ways to improve English fluency? Do you have any ideas for how to have fun and improve your English fluency? And we can read some ideas together. So remember, you selected specific goals, objetivos, for your life because you want to make positive changes this year. Remember to have fun. And if you want to improve your English fluency, to have fun, you can watch award-winning movies in English. This is a fun way to practice. Películas premiados are award-winning movies. Or maybe you can follow an English-speaking comedian on social media. These can be fun ways to practice your English. And did you know that the Academy Awards are awards for excellent movies? The awards are usually presented in January or February. So you can look online for lists of movie winners. And this can give you some ideas for some movies in English that you can practice with. So what about you? Envía tus comentarios. What are some ways to have fun to improve your English fluency? How do you have fun with your goals? Oh, I see some great ideas here. People are talking about resolutions in general, being motivated. Espinosa says, I'm very dedicated. I want to continue growing in my job. Great, Espinosa. Harrison says, study every day. Good, you can study every day. Excellent. Oh, Espinosa says you can sing in English. Good, that's a great suggestion. So a fun way to improve English fluency is that you can sing. Very good. Cantar, to sing. And you know what you enjoy. So you can think of fun activities for you and include English in these activities. Okay, let's continue. Vamos a continuar. Hola, bienvenidos a todos. Estamos hablando sobre motivación en inglés con tus objetivos con inglés o tus resoluciones para este año. Y estamos juntos con Open English Mode. So let's talk about culture. TED Talks are short videos online about a variety of topics. TED conferences started in the US years ago, but now TED Talk videos are popular around the world. In these videos, experts share ideas and tips. Many TED Talks include motivational information about how to achieve goals. So, people who give inspiring talks are often called motivational speakers because they can help motivate other people. So, let's discuss. Envía tus comentarios para participar y practicar. Who is your favorite motivational speaker? Do any celebrities or experts help motivate you? Maybe you can watch videos or listen to talks from these people and they can help motivate you to achieve your goals. Envía tus ideas o tus sugerencias. There are many popular motivational speakers. Some speakers talk about how to be happy or how to be healthy. Some speakers talk about how to succeed in business or with goals like language goals. ¿Tienes favoritos? Do you have any favorite motivational speakers? I will watch for your comments. Hello, Hebert. Hebert says hello. Or do you have any favorite TED Talks or videos that you watch about motivation? I will watch for some ideas here. I see some people, many people are saying hello. Good, excellent, very good. I can say one popular motivational speaker that I know about is Brene Brown. She doesn't talk about learning language, but she talks about having a happy, successful life. And sometimes if I listen to her, I can feel motivated to reach my language goals. Good, great participation here. Everyone is thinking carefully about this. Excellent, very good work. So let's continue. Let's practice more English. Y hola a todos, bienvenidos a Open English Mode, 10 minutos de inglés gratis con Open English. So what about you? This is a great time for you to practice English. Share your experiences. Envía tus comentarios. Talk about your language goals or your general New Year's resolutions. How can you use the tips from today's Open English Mode to stay motivated to reach your goals? You can think about your priorities. Think about finding partners, compañeros. Think about having fun. Envía tus ideas, tus comentarios, tus sugerencias. How can you stay motivated to reach your goals? For example, I want to improve my Spanish fluency. I can think about my priorities, right? I want to travel. I want to communicate with people from different countries. So I can think about my reasons to stay motivated. To find partners, I can ask my friends who speak Spanish to practice with me. Maybe every weekend we can practice some Spanish together. And to have fun, maybe I can watch some movies in Spanish or some TV shows. These are all ways that can help me stay motivated to achieve my Spanish goals. Oh, good. I see some people have some suggestions. Rosie says Emma Watson. Oh, you're talking about she motivates you? Good. Okay. Denny says hi from Peru. Good. So if you have a favorite motivational speaker, someone like Emma Watson who speaks in English, you can listen to talks from this person in English. It will help you practice your English and feel motivated to succeed with multiple goals. Very good, Rosie. Great suggestion. Excellent. Great work. Thank you, everyone, for your great participation and your great suggestions today. Wonderful. I am glad that we are helping each other to stay motivated to reach our goals. So espero que les haya gustado la clase de hoy. Los esperamos el próximo lunes para que aproveches 10 minutos más de inglés gratis con Open English. Y no lo olvides, inscríbete a nuestro curso en openenglish.com para que domines el inglés tan rápido como tú decidas. ¡Te esperamos!